Welcome to the first flight of the Boeing 737 MAX 8, the first new airplane of Boeing's second century.
Not the greatest day. It's rainy, it's cold, but look at all the excited faces.
We have thousands of employees who are joining us today for this historic first flight.
I want to just say thanks to everybody. You guys did a great job. Appreciate all you do every day. It's a real testament to our entire team and all the hard work that everybody puts into these kinds of things.
We're all standing out in the rain because this is such a spectacular event. They don't happen very often, and when they do, they're really, really special.
There you saw the 737 MAX 8 airplane complete its first flight.
I'll tell you what, it's just a beautiful, beautiful airplane. Not only were they able to modernize the airplane with new engines and new winglets, but they were able to keep that classic, iconic 737 look.
And there you can see inside Captain Ed Wilson, his name right there on the plane. Next to him, Captain Craig Bombin.
The anticipation has just been building and building for months now, from the fuselage arriving at Renton to the rollout to the tests that we did on the flight line, getting it prepared for this first flight. It has just been getting more and more exciting every single day.
It was really a pleasure to get in that airplane and go flying today.
Well, if you haven't figured it out, this is our first effort, our first airplane of our second century, and I just have to say, wow. I mean, what an amazing machine.